Hey guys, so tomorrow is the big day. We're getting ready for the token sale. So this is daily for today.
Last week we ran the end-to-end test on the mainnet, and everything went well. And today we started, actually yesterday we started to deploy the contracts to the mainnet, the real contracts, the real token and the real crowd sale. They are still not available for users, but they are already deployed, and we are running the whitelist that will allow all the users that successfully did the KYC to participate in the crowd sale tomorrow. And that's it for me.
Great. Yaron?
Hey guys, last day I've updated the data collecting, and actually I've added a flow that updates this data, and I'm working on the flow which validates our customers' data before they get the DAV token address. And that's all.
Great. Hi.
Okay, I'm working on the token sales page. So today I'm adding more form for the Swiss regulator to get the form address.
Hi, Niron. You need to make sure that that you are both synchronized, because Chai is doing the front end and you are doing the back end, right?
Yeah.
And everyone, we are going to deploy stuff to the Lambda today, all of us at the same time, so let's make sure we're synced. And Lior, do you want to add something?
Yeah, so last week I worked on creating mockups for the token sale page and the new homepage. And yesterday I've been working with Yuri and Chai on this stuff because they're already in the works. And today we'll be working together to hopefully deploy it, and so we'll be prepared for tomorrow. Let's see.
Great. So finally, we're going to have the last day of fixes and finishes, and let's make sure everything works for tomorrow. So hopefully we'll be able to see you tomorrow and say that all is done and ready. Bye guys.
Hey DailyDAV, what's up? So today I edited 3 DailyDAVs, and then we had a team meeting towards our upcoming token sale tomorrow. After that I edited 3 out of the 4 EcoMotion video series, where you can see us in EcoMotion and you can see Tal's talk at the panel there. Right now I'm waiting for Joe to send me materials to start working on the token sale video tutorial, and that will be it for me for today. See you next time.
Hey everyone, wow, long day. I spent today working on preparations for the token sale, a lot of messaging to work on, and it is now 11 o'clock, or a little bit after 11 p.m. Pacific time, so the token sale starts in fewer than 7 hours. So I'm gonna go get a few hours of sleep before we get up again so we can launch this thing, and I will see you guys soon.
Hi everyone, well this is it. Tomorrow starts the token sale. So last week I was focused on getting all of our data in order, making sure that everything is organized so that everybody can get their tokens on time and appropriately. Today I'll be focusing on really answering a lot of questions that are coming in, helping people still work through their KYC, making sure that everybody who wants to join the token sale is able to do so. See you next time.
Hi guys, today I'll make new variants banners for Start Token Sale, and they'll change sizes of version banners address. After then I'll make images for site our partners. Also I'll create new pages for Start our Token Sale. Have a nice day!